How to create Binance account on PC. Now first of all, go to their official website. Now after that, enter your email address or phone number on the home page. Click on register, and if you wish to sign up with your Apple or Google account, click on the icons below. So make sure to type of account carefully. So once you registered, you cannot change the account type. So if you want to create an entity account, please refer to the entity account tab for the detailed step-by-step guide. Now for this, or for the email or phone number registration, so your email address, phone number will be automatically filled. Read and agree the terms and services, and check the box to confirm and click next. Now after that, you will receive a 6-digit verification code in your email or phone. Now enter the code within 30 minutes and click on submit. So if you have phone verification or email verification, click on submit. Now after that, create a secure password for your account. Your password must contain at least 8 characters with at least one uppercase letter and one number. Now after you fill the password, just click on next. Now congratulations, you have successfully created a Binance account. Now after that, set up your account. You must verify it by your ID, and click next to complete account registration. Now please note that you must complete identity verification before trading. Now if you want to sign up with your Apple Wallet or Google account, now select continue with Apple or continue with Google. A pop-up window will appear like this, and you will be prompted to sign in to Binance using your Apple or Google. After that, after sign in, you will be asked to confirm before proceeding. Now read and agree to the terms. Now click on confirm, and you will be redirected back to the Binance website. Confirm that you have read the terms of services, and then click on next. You must check this. I have read and agreed Binance. Now congratulations, you have successfully created a Binance account. Now after that, click on next to complete account registration. Please note that you must complete identity verification before trading. So this is how to create a Binance account on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.